I think so.
For Joseph.
I don't know, Mother.
It's his birthday. Your birthday's in a couple months. What?
Let one each one and help them open one.
I think we got, it's too overwhelming.
Yeah.
First birthday.
See if he's gonna open that one now.
What you got there, Joseph?
Rip it open, Joe.
Rip it open, pal.
Rip it open.
It's from Pat and
Well, that's cute. Wouldn't be long.
For what? So,
Joseph. Nikki. That was Nicole Susan.
Hey, Becky.
See if Joseph. Yeah.
Let Joseph open them.
Well, that's what I'm trying to get him over here, so I can Joseph. Come here. No.
why don't you make a real line and let each one open?
You open it. Rip it. Here, one back.
I know what it is.
I know. This is gonna get you.
They're not like the left leg outside, not
Gotta sit down. You gotta sit down.
Right.
Hey, you guys.
That's so cute.
Isaac Bruce.
That is cute. You guys, we're all gonna make a line here, then we're gonna take turns helping Joseph open a present, okay?
Okay, get in line.
Gotta get in line right here.
Now take it over to Joseph.
Let Joseph do it.
You're pretty noisy.
And help him.
Okay, Joseph, look. That is cute. He's got his shirt on.
I'll have one.
I can get the other one. This is from Lynette and Chris.
So you stack it over there when you're done.
You guys go back here so then she can see you.
Molly.
Wait your turn.
Why don't you guys all sit on the floor and then you'll be able to
Yeah, just sit
get
in
in
your
line.
line.
Sarah, sit.
Scoot back
Sit
in
your
the
line.
Right in front of your grandmother.
sit.
You sit right in front of your grandma.
Sit down there and then you'll be in
Molly,
line.
get
Get
the Molly, sit down.
Isaac Bruce.
That's from Michael. Oh.
What's that?
His daddy, the jersey.
Oh, yeah, that's my present to you, boy.
Boy.
Where are you going? Guys, see what you got? Oh, that's
Oh.
Okay, Nikki, now somebody else's turn to open a present.
My turn.
Jesse? No.
No, Sarah
I
was
think
first,
Joseph needs a turn
Jesse.
first.
Let's see if Joseph, here you go, Joseph.
Give me a card, Sarah. Sarah, use that card that fell
I'll
off.
just open it.
The line didn't work real well.
No.
It was Eric's idea.
Well, just let them take turns. You know,
Sarah,
It was a good
They
idea.
don't have to get in the line, just let them take turns.
right there.
Nikki, you already had your turn. Over here.
Here, go put that
Nikki,
through.
come here. Come here.
Okay, Sarah, since you're in line here, we'll go right down the line here. Sarah,
Right,
here,
Jesse's
we'll
next.
open this card.
Where's my son at?
He's over by Chris. Open this up. He's opening a present over there.
Here, open this up.
This is from Jesse. Nikki, souvenir.
There you go. He's getting it.
You get Elizabeth?
What's in there, Joseph?
Hang on, Becky. Hang on.
That's from Mike and
It says
Debbie and me.
quick ride, or something like that.
Turn it the other way.
Open this up. Open this
Turn around, Adam.
I know it's quick something.
There you go, pal. Alright.
Eyes or something.
They didn't wait.
Maybe something like that, yeah.
Good idea.
This is from Eric and Sue and Jesse and Nikki.
Alright.
It's the red lady or?
Okay, get Jesse. Okay, Jesse. Here, Mike.
really don't do there.
He does. Hey, don't do that.
What is that, Joseph?
The popcorn popper.
I know what that is.
I recognize it now.
That's right.
Pull this off. Hey, Molly, you want to keep scooting?
This Joe.
No, Sarah,
Sarah, pull it,
Sarah,
Sarah.
sit.
Stay back, I told her.
Nikki, don't do it. You might break it.
Nikki, go. Stand
Oh, there you go.
I thought it was right.
Oh, that's a fun toy.
That's what all the kids like.
Yeah, he plays with that at my house.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Move back, guys.
No nickel.
What do you think of that, Joseph?
That's still from Debbie, Becky. No, Debbie, Mary, and Mike.
Okay, these are with that too.
Yeah. Maybe
all
Angie,
kind of-
I don't know.
I'll let Jessica tell them. You guys
Oh,
know
that's
now.
Joseph, or Sarah, that's Joseph.
Okay, guys.
Jesse, stop.
Joseph wants to.
Jessica.
He's going
Wait. I told those two they could open those. They did.
Mary.
Nikki had a turn. Sarah had a
Mary
turn.
Beth.
Hey, Isaac.
She can open it. Hey, Joseph, look what you got.
You can open that one, then everybody open one except Mary, right?
Joseph, you'll know what to do there, Becky. There.
You can open that one.
You can open it for us.
And then Joseph's gonna open the rest, okay? Everybody open one.
He likes that thing.
Jesse.
Jesse, that was Adam.
This is from Laurie and Tim and Mary.
What is that? Hey, Joseph.
Too many pies.
Joseph.
You,
Joseph Michael.
everybody go to one and then.
Who's this from, Becky?
Open that one, I
From
think.
Laurie and Tim and Mary.
Okay.
Hey, Sarah. Oh, that's
We got a
cute.
workbench.
Oh. Yeah, Joseph's gonna like that.
You could just wrap these
Oh,
up
and it
like
has his name on it.
Let me see. Hey, Joseph. Hello, son. Look what you got there.
Sarah, which one do you want to help with?
Oh, it's upside down.
It's there, it's there.
Yeah, there you go.
You gotta let some guys with it work on that.
No, they're doing good here.
Now you got it, guys. Let's just slip on that.
Leave it to the lemon.
Wait, hey, Joseph. Joseph.
Mike's not here.
Joseph. Hi, buddy. Nice snotty nose.
Oh, shoot.
Let me see it, Becky.
Here's the workbench.
Becky, let me see it.
No, let's not open it. I don't want to lose any of the pieces right now. Let's wait till we get some of the stuff to figure out. Okay.
Becky, turn around. Let me see it. Oh, it's got his name on it.
Yeah.
I couldn't see that. There it is.
Everyone's open.
Okay.
Except for Joseph. Joseph, will you
He's saying something.
Hey, Chad.
Jess. Stop. Stop.
Joseph, look.
I think you have to take that one part away. This is a peanut clip. He's trying to get his
Molly
nose.
open one. You open this one, Molly.
Oh, yeah?
Remember?
Hang on, Becky. Hey, Becky, why don't you sit up in the chair and just put them on your lap?
Jesse. Jesse, Scotty.
Nikki, no. Nicole.
Go-
Joseph,
You want to be in the
see what you're into.
Where's Joseph at? Elizabeth, where's Joseph?
time out.
Here, throw it over so they can
There's
see.
Joe.
There you go. All right.
This is
All we have to do is
Joseph's
there.
birthday.
Nobody can see.
Chad.
You know. All right. Good job. Now let's see what's here.
People can't see when you stand right in front.
Stay back here. Oh, how cute.
Oh.
Elizabeth at?
That'd be warm.
Let's see it, Mommy. Hey, Jesse. Jesse, can you get down?
Give me that colorful box. See the bright color. Here, this is from your
Nikki.
Is that for Mom and Dad? Okay. There you go.
Hey, Jesse, sit down, kneel down so everyone can see.
Hey, get Jersey, huh, Eric? Hell yeah, Jersey, huh?
Yeah.
He'll wear that to his first Rams game.
Put it in here. Get over there. Let's see what's in here.
Oh,
Sit down.
manly.
Oh, the head's so. He's got his Rams apparel.
Rams winter apparel. Right here.
I'm gonna tell me I think
Where you going, Joseph?
You want to open the big one?
that big one. See what Mike says.
Here.
She might be allergic to the
Watch out.
Hey, Nikki.
Sit right here.
Well, he keeps on stepping up.
Sarah.
Those are new shoes. Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Who's this from, Becky?
That's from us.
Is that from us?
Yeah.
Good job. He told me not to tell. He said he wanted to be surprised.
Come on, son, rip into it.
There you go. Help him out.
Stay back. Stay back.
Jesse, he's doing it. Let him do it.
All right, Joseph.
Bye, Keith.
Hey,
Nikki, that's
Yeah,
enough.
wait.
Let him do it.
help him out.
Here, look here.
One stand. Don't let him do it. The other one stand. Help him out.
Let's get out these kids.
He's really, he's helping you out
Help
there.
him out.
So confused.
Here, this. The tension.
These bigger kids are like, doesn't he know what to do? You know.
I get into a patient. Oh.
Grandma. We got a real good picture of your derriere.
Sorry.
What is that, Joseph, huh?
No, not too bad, was there?
Who did that?
Why don't you put it up on end?
That's what nice.
There you go. There you
Here,
go.
I got it.
There you go.
Turn it up a little more.
Shred that paper.
Yeah.
There's no more.
Get that
Turn
one
it around.
side.
Yeah, hold it up.
Oh, that's so cute.
Where'd we see that at?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you can
Hold
push a
on,
little
Molly.
without
Hold
really.
the rest of it.
Where you going, son?
You can use it as kind of a stroller kind of thing first, or you take the handle off and then it.
That's cute, hon. You did good. I thought it was going to be his new set of power tools, but
Sorry.
Almost got it with tool belt.
you know, Tim Allen's coming out with a new set of children's power tools. Yeah.
I almost got
I
him.
want to give him a little tool belt so it shows out the baby butt crack.
I almost got him a little tool belt.
Let's bring it on.
Bidford, I guess.
Jesse.
Oh, here we are. Where's Joseph at?
I know what it is.
Oh, I see. There you go.
I have that.
All right.
I know we don't.
Got it for a double
There it is.
You want to put together?
Thank you.
Grandma, I used to have that. We don't have that.
You got it now, Rob.
Oh, Nikki.
Here's another one.
Okay, Becky.
You grandma.
Yeah, will you take this? I can't.
Hey, look. We got more paper to tear.
Oh, yeah.
Stand back so Mike, watch out, camera.
Mickey, get out of the way.
Watch out.
Hi, Nikki.
There.
Oh, ham.
my God.
Tear it up, boy.
Yeah, you go.
Working it down.
Right. Give the kitty cat a kiss.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'll take a little look.
Hey, Nikki. Nikki.
Nikki, Mike can't see. Here, you can go ahead and take the paper and the kitty cat.
Yes, yes.
The kitty cat and the puppies a kiss.
Sweet.
Look, they're sitting on the hands.
Okay, kiss that one.
Oh, check that out.
Oh, that's cute.
Little Jimmy.
Hang on. What? Okay, it's downstairs.
You're gonna be a handsome man this winter.
Sure are. That's everything we need. We need some winter clothes. Oh, thanks, Jesse.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, what does it say, Jesse? Hold it up. What does it say? All right.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, we need one of those too.
And try it on.
I know he's got two shirts on.
I know. You're gonna be burned up. All right.
Okay, let him see Joseph.
Way to go. Hi, pal. I'm sorry they're putting you through this.
Mary,
What's going on?
I'm all padded. I can run into stuff.
Yeah. There you go.
We take it back off so you get inside.
Joseph. Hi,
Hey, Joseph. Attack, Joseph.
I bet he'll
Attack.
object if you take that away.
buddy. Deep breath. Take a bite.
Take your second win there.
Hey, Becky, stick your hand and say, give me 5 and put it away.
Yeah.
Give me 5, Joseph. Give me 5.
Kind of tap the cake. Wait a minute.
Come close.
Do it again, Chris.
Can you blow kiss? Can we blow kiss? Oh, he is.
Big bite. Here.
He had a couple big bites.
There you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right.
Yay!
Way to go, pal.
Hot one.
Bye.